Welcome back everyone. So today in this quick video I will be showing you how to change the theme in the Windows 11 not activated copy. So there are many users who are using the not activated version of Windows 11. As of now you can see here it says you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. So what happened if I try to make any kind of changes, like if I go to the personalization and go to the theme section, so I'm not able to change any of the theme here. If I click on it, nothing is happening. And even the current theme section has been grayed out, and that basically indicate that we will not be able to change the theme in the not activated copy of Windows 11. But there is a trick that you can apply. What you will have to do, bring up your file explorer, go to this PC, then you have to look for local disk C. Just make a double click on it. And here you have to look for the Windows folder, double click on it, and in the Windows you have to look for the folder by the name resources. So scroll down a bit and you will find the resources folder. Once you get it, just make a double click on it again, and here you will find the theme section. Again double click on it. So as of now the first theme has been activated, that is the arrow one. Now if you want to switch to any other theme like the dark one, just make a double click on it. Bingo, so now you can see the dark theme has been activated. Similarly, if you want to change the other theme like to Spotlight, theme A, theme B, theme C, then you can check all of them. In case if making a double click doesn't work for you, then you will have to go ahead and restart the computer before changing to another theme. Alright, so that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this information useful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.